Yesterday we discussed about the cubic polynomial, how the sum of zeros and product of zeros and sum and product of zeros, how will be the p by q form, fraction form we discussed yesterday. Okay, that some related question here we will discuss. Page number 66, example 7. Page number 66, example 7. Verify 3, minus 1, minus 1 by 3 are zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, and then verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Okay, what is the question given here? Okay, these three are zeros of this cubic polynomial, yes or no, first decide. Later verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Zeros and coefficient relation we have to check. First we have to check these are the zeros of this polynomial or not. First check. How we can check? By replacing each value instead of p of 3, p of minus 1, p of minus 1 by 3, calculate. Then we will get the value of the zero polynomial 0. Value of the polynomial is 0. Later, after getting the three values are zeros, then only we go for the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. First we check. Okay, given p of x equal to, what is p of x here? Cubic polynomial 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Okay, compare this polynomial. This is the cubic polynomial. Compare with the standard form of the cubic polynomial. Compare with cubic polynomial. Compare with cubic polynomial by ax cube plus bx plus cx plus d. ax cube plus bx plus cx, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Where a is not equal to 0. Okay, this cubic polynomial compare with this one. Later we will use the coefficients. That's why starting only we will do that one. Okay, now x cube coefficient if a here 3, then a equal to 3. X square coefficient minus 5. X square coefficient is b. That means b equal to minus 5. Just compare the corresponding coefficients on. X coefficient minus 7. Here x coefficient is 3. That means c equal to minus 7. Where plus means we can write plus, minus means minus we can write. Okay, d constant. Constant is here minus 3. Constant is here d. d equal to minus 3. d equal to minus 3. Now we have to check it. These three are the zeros of this polynomial or not. We have to check. Okay, now p of x equal p of x is this one. P of 3 I want to calculate. P of 3 equal to 3x cube. 3x cube means 3 x value 3 here. 3 cube minus 5 into x square. 5 into x value 3 square. X square minus 11 into x value 3. Just replace instead of x by 3. By replacing x value as 3, we can get this one. Now simplify this one. 3 into 3 cube means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3 is 9 and 3 is 27. Minus 5 into 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 11 3 is 11 into 3. Minus 3. Now simplify this one. 3 into 27. 3 7 yes 21. 3 2 yes 6. 6 plus 2 81. 9 5 yes 45. 11 3 yes 33. Minus 3. Okay, if you observe here, this is only plus number. Remaining all are minus number. By adding all these values, what we can get? First observe here. 45 plus 30, 75. 75 plus 3. How much in? 78. Okay, again we have to add 45, 33, 3. Okay, by adding these 11, 3 plus 3, 5. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5, 3, 81. 80 minus 81 we will get. 81 minus 81, that equal to 0. Okay, by replacing p of 3, we got value of the polynomial is 0. Okay, go for the next minus 1. P of minus 1. P of minus 1 means x place replace with minus 1. Okay, in this expression we have to replace P of minus 1. 3 into x cube minus 1 cube minus 5 into x square. That means x value square minus 11 into x value minus 1 minus 3. Now simplify this one. Okay, 3 into 1 cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. The minus is repeated 3 times. So we will get a minus. 1 cube means 1 only. 1 into 1 into 1. Next 5 minus 5 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 11 into minus 1. Third. Simplify again. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 5 into plus 1 minus 5. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 11 into 1 11 minus 3. If you observe here plus value is one number only 11. Remaining 3 have minus sign. We add those. Minus 3 minus 6. Whenever if you are having same sign, those we have to add and give the same sign. Okay, 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 5 11. These three numbers having the minus sign. So minus 11 plus 11. Minus 11 plus 11 equal to 0. Okay, go for the next third value. P of minus 1 by 3. P of minus 1 by 3. P of minus 1 by 3. In the x value, what we want to replace here? Minus 1 by 3 replace here. What is that? Maximum 3. X value square. X value cube. X value cube minus 5 into x value square. Okay, I replace here just a equation. Minus 1 by 3 minus 3 minus 3. 3 minus 1 by 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. Now we expand this one. 3. Okay, minus 1 cube means minus 1 only. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 3 cube means 27. Already we done here previously. 3 into 3 into 3. 9. 9 3 is 27. Minus 5 into minus 1 square means 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 by 9. Okay, minus 11 into minus 1 by 3 minus 3. Now simplify this one. 3 into minus 3. Otherwise you can cancel. 3 1 years, 3 9 years, 27. 3 9 years, 27. Okay, now minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9. Minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 by 9. Minus into minus plus 11. 11 into 1, 11 only. By 3. Minus 3. Now take LCM for this one. Otherwise we can add this one. Okay, these are having the denominators are same. Now add the numerators. That means minus 1 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 5 means minus 6. Minus 6 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3. Now take LCM. Here no denominator is there. That is take as 1. Here 9, 3, 1. We have the big number 9. 9 is possible in 3 tables. So LCM is 9. Otherwise we can take LCM for the 9, 3. By taking LCM also we will get a 9 only. Okay, write 9 as the denominator. Okay, here already 9 is there. 9 1 years 9. No need to multiply for the 6. Okay, otherwise if you want to multiply means 9 1 years 9. Plus here numerator 11. Okay, in 3 table 1 we will get a 9 3 3 years 9. That means here write 3. 3 3 years 9. Minus 3 multiply. Okay, one table how much we want to get how much we should multiply to get 9 years 9. Okay, now 6 multiply 6 into 1 minus 6. 11 3 years 33. Minus 9 3 years 9 3 years 27. Here minus into plus minus only. Minus 27 by 9. Okay, by observing in our numerator part minus 27 minus 6 having the same sign minus. By adding these two, 27 plus 6 33. Both having the minus sign. So minus 33 plus 33 by 9. Minus 33 plus 33 means 0 by 9. 0 by 9 means 0. By calculating these, by replacing these three values, P of 3, P of minus 1, P of minus 1 by 3, we are getting 0. Okay, up to now what we observe here, Okay, by replacing these three values, we are getting the value of the polynomial is 0. Value of the polynomial is 0 means immediately we can say the given values are the zeros of the given polynomial. That only I will write conclusion. Three comma, therefore 3 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 by 3 are zeros of p of x equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x. Okay, starting to first step we can observe in that only we have this one expression. Okay, zeros of the polynomial. Now whenever a cubic polynomial, if you choose here, how many zeros will be possible? 3 zeros. Okay, generally what we can take, let us say 3 zeros, alpha, beta, gamma. So take alpha equal to 3. First 0 always we can take alpha. Second 0 take as beta. Beta equal to minus 1. Gamma equal to minus 1 by 3. Alpha, beta, gamma we taken here. Okay, these values you have to remember. A equal to 3. What is that one? A equal to 3. B equal to minus 5. C equal to minus 11. D equal to minus 3. These values you have to remember. Coefficients. Further calculation we will use these values. Okay. Now we will find out the sum of zeros, product of zeros, sum and product of zeros. Okay, first sum of zeros. Sum of zeros equal to, what is the sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Sum of zeros. Okay, alpha plus beta plus gamma means 3 plus of, okay, here minus is the beta value, minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. By removing the bracket, we will get one thing. Remember, before the bracket, inside the bracket, opposite side is there. We will get a minus by removing the bracket. Bracket remove chesandi, inside outside. Opposite side means we will get minus. Same side means plus. Here plus we have. Then we will get plus. Minus is there. We will get a plus. Here opposite side is there. 3 minus 1. Minus 1 by 3. Opposite side here also. Minus 1 by 3. By subtracting these two, what we can get? 3 minus 1 and 2. 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay, now take LCM subtraction here. No need to that one, just cross multiply this one. Here denominator 3. Denominator 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 2 is 6. Minus 1. 5 by 3. Okay, already we learn sum of zeros equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. But here we got a plus. Both numbers are plus. Okay, if you observe here, a and b value what is here? Coefficient of x square is minus 5. So to get minus 5 here, minus 5 रावल. Okay, minus 5 रावल means that minus or minus. Okay, minus or minus we have to write. Okay, now minus or minus means plus only. But our x square coefficient is minus 5. To get minus 5, I am multiplying here minus or minus. Then what will be? Minus, this is the x square coefficient b by 3 is the x cube coefficient, minus b by a. Minus b by a form we are getting here. Similarly, sum of product of zeros, that means alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta means 3 into minus 1. Beta gamma means minus 1 into minus 1 by 3. Okay, just replace these three values. Alpha value, beta value, gamma value. In this we have to replace. Sum of product of zeros, this is one. Okay, gamma alpha. Gamma alpha means minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 3. Now simplify this one. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, here 3 will be cancelled. Okay, both will be cancelled. Okay, without removing that one. Same, don't cancel here. Same only you have to write. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3. Okay, here denominators are same. Denominators are same means add the numerators. Then minus 3 plus denominator 3. Simplify this. 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 minus 2. Minus into plus minus 2 by 3. Now cross multiply. 3 3 is 9. Denominator 3. 3 3 is minus 9. 2 minus 2. 3 3 is minus 9 minus 2. By adding these we will get minus 11 by 3. Already what is the x coefficient in previous starting we found x coefficient is minus 11. X coefficient is 8. That means sum of product of zeros. Sum of product of zeros equal to C by A. Okay, don't keep minus here. Here only minus 11 only C value. At starting we observe that one. Okay, next product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros equal to alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha value 3 multiply gamma value, beta value minus 1, gamma value minus 3. Okay, don't cancel here. Like that on numerator with numerator multiply. Okay, 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 1, 3. Okay, minus is repeated 2 times. So plus. Okay, by 3. But what is the constant value? First starting d value minus 3. But here we are getting plus 3. Okay, minus 3 if you want to get means minus of minus we have to try. Minus of minus 3 by 3. Okay, minus of minus means 3 plus only. Here minus 3 is the d value. So we can write minus d by a. Minus 3 is the minus is here I write. Minus 3 is the d value. 3 is the a value. Minus d by a. Okay, now sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. Sum of product of zeros is c by a. And product of zeros is minus d by a. Okay, this is very important for exam point of view for 4 marks question. Okay, so many times they ask you. We have to practice this model only. In page number 67, we have fourth question. In exercise, fourth question also same model only. You have to practice yourself. Compared to this question, that is very easy sum. Okay, now. Okay, in page number 67, exercise 3.3, this model we discussed, but a little bit they change the order. Okay, in examples we will discuss this one. Example 5 model, this is maybe example 3 model. Example 3 model question only, but what is the question? Find, page number 67, exercise 3.3, first question. Find zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Okay, whenever a quadratic polynomial is given to you, for that quadratic polynomial, we have to find zeros. Later verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Okay, now what is the given question? First one, second one, you can do yourself. No problem with that one. Those are the example 3 model. Third question is a little bit differently given. That one I will discuss. Okay, if you follow this one, we can do the first question, second question also. Okay, what is the first third question given? Polynomial 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Okay, this polynomial is not given in descending order form according to their degree. First one, this is the polynomial in x, variable x. Okay, p of x equal to solution given p of x equal to x square minus 3 minus 7x is given. We have to arrange the terms. This is one term, second term, third term. These terms arrange according to degree in descending order. Okay, highest degree undali, next highest degree, next small degree. Like that we have to arrange that one. P of x equal to, then P of x equal to, this degree is 2. This degree is 0, constant degree 0. This degree is 1, x power 1. So write x square, 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay, 6x square minus 7x minus 3. If you observe here, degree 2, degree 1, degree of this term is 0. This is arranged in a descending order. Now factorize the, whenever a trinomial is given to you, quadratic polynomial, factorize for that one. Okay, whenever if you want to factorize, identify the big largest term coefficient. We can have x squared, coefficient is 6. X squared 6x squared. Okay, this is the largest coefficient. Okay, the largest or the highest degree coefficient. Highest degree coefficient 6x squared, and a small constant is minus 3. Now we have to resolve into factors. Okay, resolve into factors. In 6 we can write 3 2 is 6. Here write x, here write 3x into 2x, 6x squared. Here minus 3 also write, minus 3 into 1. Minus 3 into 1 or 3 into minus 1. Minus 3 we will get. But by doing a cross multiplication, we will get a simplification after minus 7x. Minus 7x means 3 2 is 6x. 3 1 is 3x. By adding these we get a 9x, but we required only 7x only. If you want to get a 7x, if you want to 7x, by taking any one of these two is minus, it is possible to you or not? First observe. 6 minus 3, possible? No. So change the order. If these two are, we can change our wish that one. I want to change these two. 3 3 is 9x. 2 1 is 2x. Okay, by subtracting we will get a 7x. Okay, by subtracting, but which one you should be minus? Either this one or this one, I want to decide. Here result is minus. Result, if you want to get a minus, big number should be minus. That means any one of these two will be minus. That means this one I will take minus. This should be minus. Okay, now if you can multiply these two, we will get a 18x squared. 6 3 is 18x squared. By subtracting we will get a minus 7x. That means let p of x equal to, I want to find out zeros. So let p of x equal to 0. 6x squared minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, instead of 7x I will write these two. Okay, 6x squared minus plus 2x minus 9x 3 equal to 0. These two are the one group, these two are the one group. In these two groups, which one we can take common? The 6 will come in 2 tables. 2 will come in 2 tables. So 2 we can take common. X we can take common. 2x we can take common. Okay, 2 table, 2 3 is 6. 1x will be removed there. That means taken common. Okay, plus 2x are directly totally taken common. So there is no number will be remaining. No number is there means that is taken as a 1. That means by multiplying also we will get same only. 2x into 3x, 6x squared. 2 3 is 6, x into x squared. 2x into 1, 2x. Same only copy here. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now divide this first term, 9x. 9x divided with 3x. 9x divided with 3x. X will cancel. 3 1 ya, 3 3 ya. What will be remaining? Minus 3. Minus 3 will be remaining. Now again take common. 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 take common. What will be remaining? Here by taking 3x plus 1, 2x is the remaining. By taking 3x plus 1, minus 3 is remaining. That is equal to 0. Individually equal to 0. 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Or multiplication here means we can write a R. Okay, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. By taking 1 that side, that will be 3x equal to minus 1. Okay, now 3 is multiplying. By moving that one also towards the minus 1 side, that will divide minus 1 by 3. Okay, similarly here also minus 3 take towards the 0. That minus 3 will become another side plus 3. 2 is multiplying here. If you take another side, it will be 3x equal to 3 by 3. Okay, now x value 1 by 3, x value 3 by 3. These two are the zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, let let alpha equal to minus 1 by 3, beta equal to, wait, we have to write step, minus 1 by 3, 3 by 2 are zeros of p of x. What is p of x is that one. Okay, given p of x, given p of x. Now take and let alpha equal to minus 1 by 3, beta equal to 3 by 2. Now half of the question we completed. We found zeros. Later what we have to do? Find the relation between zeros and coefficients. Sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means minus 1 by 3 alpha value, beta value 3 by 2. Now do the cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus here, plus 3 is 9. Okay, 3 2 is 6. LCM addition only we done here. Without doing cross multiplication, we can do. Okay, our wish that one. Now simplify this one. What we can get? 9 minus 2, 7. 7 by 6. Okay, starting we have to observe coefficients. What are the coefficients here? A value 6, B value here given. What is the expression given? 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. 7x minus 3. Okay, this is the A value. This is the B value. This is the C value. Compare with the quadratic polynomial. In previous class we discussed that one. Okay, B value what here? Minus 7. But we are getting here plus 7. That means if you want to get minus 7, minus or minus we have to write. Minus or minus 7 by 6. Okay, B value minus 7, A value 6. That means we can write minus B by A. Minus here, B value minus 7, B, A value 6, A. Now product of zeros, alpha beta, product of zeros is alpha beta equal to minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. Now we have to multiply. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 3 2 is 6. Okay, what is the minus 3 value here? C. What is the 6 here? A. That means C by A. Don't give minus here because already C value only minus C by A. This is the verification between the zeros and coefficient. Okay.